Hi kids! Let's learn some vegetables by playing a fun game. Are you ready? Let's go! Can you guess this vegetable?
It's a carrot.
Can you guess this vegetable?
It's a tomato.
Can you guess this vegetable?
It's a cabbage.
Can you guess this vegetable?
It's a broccoli.
Can you guess this vegetable?
It's a cucumber. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me make more videos and learning fun for you.